Hi, I'm Tony Leedham from Kramer. We're here at ISE 2025. We're based in Hall 3, booth number 3D300. Hope you can visit us. We're showing this year Ashton Bentley products on the booth, and we're showing our complete room systems. We have 3 demonstration areas. We're showing an immersive system, which is working with the Microsoft Teams front row. We're showing a standard boardroom with a 7-seat table and a twin 65, and we're showing our technology, which we're showing this year for the first time as separate products to purchase. The rooms are set to show you how easy it is to build a complete meeting room in less than a couple of hours. We have a video showing how this works, but we also can physically show it to you on the booth. We appreciate your time, hope you can stop by, but if you want more information, please visit our website, www.kramerav.com. Thank you.